Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video today, I'm gonna show you how to use your shields on Monopoly Go. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first thing we need to do, obviously we need to go and open Monopoly Go here. Open the game itself. And once you open, as you can see here on the board, I got some shields here as you can see. I got this one, I got this one here, the same one, it's orange. Also, I got this one, and this one is the same, right? The thing is, the more shields I collect, the more I save my buildings, and the shields are being used automatically once someone tried to attack me, either my friends or any Monopoly Go players, right? So that's how we can use them. There's no way to use them by ourselves, but the shields are used automatically to save our buildings from users. And that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.